Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I thought I would take just a minute and share a short video on how we harvest our carrots. The carrots I'm harvesting today are about a fourth of the carrots we have for the year. We'll eat most of them fresh, share some of them, and freeze the rest. This year we're also going to try and store some in some sand to see if that works out or not. The carrots should last at least through part of the winter. First, you dig them up, and then you try to shake off any kind of dirt. Then you're going to break off the carrot tops. When you're done harvesting what you want, you squirt them off. Then we're going to bring them into the house and wash them again. And we put them in gallon-sized bags and cut slits in the bags to keep the carrots from getting too wet and put them in the fridge. We save so much money from gardening. That is how I can feed us for a lot less than the average family spends. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.